If Photopea is showing an error code 404, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is one of those errors that can happen because of a bad session, cached files, browser extensions, or even a browser compatibility issue. So the goal here is to reset the connection and get Photopea loading properly again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Refresh the page. Sometimes Photopea just needs a clean reload to re-establish the connection. You can press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button in your browser. After that, give it a few seconds and see if the editor loads normally. If it still shows the 404 error, move on to the next step. Now clear your browser cache and site data. Old cached files or corrupted cookies can prevent Photopea from loading the correct resources. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and clear cached images and files. If possible, also remove site-specific cookies and stored data for Photopea. Then close the tab, reopen Photopea, and sign back in if needed. This simple reset often fixes loading problems very quickly. If the error is still there, try opening Photopea in Incognito or private mode. This is a great test because it disables most saved browser data and many extensions by default. If Photopea works in Incognito mode, then the issue is probably caused by your browser settings, cache, or an extension rather than Photopea itself. That gives you a much clearer path to the fix. Next, disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions. Some script blockers, tracking blockers, or privacy tools can accidentally block important Photopea files from loading. When that happens, the editor may throw a 404 error or keep looping while it tries to load. Temporarily turn off those extensions for Photopea, then refresh the page again and check whether the problem is gone. If nothing has worked so far, switch your browser. Try Photopea in Chrome, Firefox, or Edge to rule out browser-specific compatibility issues. Sometimes one browser may have a setting, extension, or temporary bug that another browser does not. Testing in a different browser is one of the quickest ways to confirm whether the issue is local to your setup. Once you've tried all of these steps, Photopea should usually start loading correctly again. In most cases, the fix is as simple as clearing data, disabling a blocking extension, or using a different browser. So go through the steps in order and you'll have the best chance of resolving the 404 error fast. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.